all of you. How are you? Okay, fine. Today I am going to derive an important expression, that is expression of magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid. The term solenoid is first of all used by the Ampere. Okay? What is the magnetic field due to the solenoid? For this, we assume a long solenoid. Okay? Let a straight long solenoid. In the solenoid, magnetic field be uniformly distributed inside. Okay? While outside the solenoid, magnetic field is 0. Inside the magnetic field is B, while outside the solenoid, magnetic field is 0. Okay? We have to find the expression of this magnetic field. Okay? For this, we assume that a closed Amperian loop A, B, C, D on the solenoid. Okay? Here, some part of the loop is inside the solenoid, while some part is outside of the solenoid. Okay? Now we assume that solenoid has large number of turns. N be the number of turns per unit length of the rectangular loop ABCD with length L. The length of side AB is L and it has n number of turns per unit length. Okay? Therefore, total turns is equal to n into L, because L be the length of the loop or ABCD. If I be the current flowing each turn of the loop, then total current is equal to N into L into I. Okay? Where I is equal to current flowing each turn. Okay? From Ampere circuital law, all of you know that. Okay? Line integral of magnetic field and a small current element is equal to mu naught into total current. That implies line integral V into dl is equal to mu naught and total current is here NLI. NLI. This is the equation 1. Okay? Now, we have find the value of total current or line integral of magnetic field. Line integral of magnetic field in the case of closed rectangular loop ABCD. Okay? In the case of loop loop A, B, C, D. Okay? Line integral B into DL is equal to A to B, B into DL plus B to C, B dot DL, C to D, B dot DL plus D to A, B dot DL. Here loop is rectangular and this angle is 90 degree. In the case of A to B, the direction of current and direction of magnetic field is same. Okay? That means angle between them is 0 degree. That implies integration B into DL is equal to A to B, B DL cos 0 degree. Again B to C, B into DL, A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. Okay, that means B dot vector B dot vector DL is equal to BDL cos theta, but here angle between current and a small current element and magnetic field is 90 degree. Therefore, cos 90 degree plus C to D, B DL cos theta. Okay, plus D to A, B DL cos 90 degree. Here angle is 90 degree. Okay. Outside the solenoid magnetic field is 0. That implies integration B into DL is equal to integration A to B, B into DL, 1 plus 0 plus integration C to D, 0 into DL cos theta, because outside the solenoid magnetic field is 0 plus 0. Okay, that implies integration B DL is equal to A to B DL plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. This term always will be 0. Okay, that implies B into DL is equal to B into L. Here L is the length of side AB. Okay, length of the side AB. This is the equation second. Okay, from first and second, from equation first and second we have, look here, from this is the equation first, line integral B into DL is equal to mu naught Ni into L. Okay, this is the equation second, line integral B into DL is equal to B into L. From first and second we have, okay, B into L is equal to mu naught n I into L. This L cancel to this L. That implies B is equal to mu naught n I. This is the expression of the magnetic field produced by the long straight solenoid. Inside uniform magnetic field B is located, while outside the magnetic field is 0. Okay, this is the required relation. B is equal to mu naught Ni. Now I will discuss here what is toroid. Have you heard the name of toroid? No. I will tell you. Okay. The endless solenoid is called toroid. That means the solenoid which has a spherical shape is called toroid. A spherical body has no end. Okay. The magnetic field produced by the toroid is as same as the magnetic field produced by the solenoid. But what is the difference between solenoid and toroid? Toroid occupies a small amount of space with respect to the solenoid, but produces same amount of magnetic field of the solenoid. That is, if B be the magnitude produced by the toroid, then B is equal to mu naught Ni. Okay, here B is equal to magnitude of magnetic field, mu naught is equal to permeability in free space, and n बराबर n is equal to number of turns per unit length, I is equal to current flowing in each turn. Okay, that means the magnetic field produced by the both solenoid and toroid is same. Okay, now in next class I will explain or derive the expression of force due to moving charge in uniform magnetic field. Till thank you. Have a safe day.